Well, hello everyone. My name is Pete, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about this product that's in front of me. It's called BIO-112, and it's from the BIO-1 company. They have perfected a line, or developed a line of bacteria that will work in a septic system to clean up years of sludge and accumulation. I became acquainted with this company in 2007. I was living in another place in North Texas. I'm in kind of West Texas right now. I had a septic system that for 6 years would not work. It would just back up. I'd get it pumped. I would went so far as to have a new lateral line put in. Nothing seemed to work, and after about 6 years I thought it was going to have to be replaced. I did a little research and found this BIO-1 company, and according to their website, they had done some impressive work with a strain of bacteria they developed to help clean up the oil spill in Alaska, the Exxon Valdez oil spill. And they had gone on to develop strains that would work in commercial grease traps, and then this BIO-112. So I got a hold of them. It's not cheap, but it's a lot cheaper than a new septic system. Talked to customer service, and I believe it was Chris. We worked out a shock treatment for the system I had up there in North Texas. I got the product and followed the directions, shocked the system. I'm going to make another little video on another product they have as a maintenance. And within about a month, the system started healing, started to look better inside the tank. The water was clearing up, just as it had been advertised on their website. Sold the place shortly thereafter that, and kept in touch with the new owners. And they followed the maintenance routine, and they never had an issue with it. So we fast forward here to May of 2020, June of 2020. We've got a new to us house out in the country on a septic system, and it started giving us trouble. So we had it pumped out. As it turns out, the previous owners were putting cooking grease into the toilet, and that cooking grease clogged the line from the house to the tank. And I know it didn't help anything downstream either, because the leach lines go out, 3 of them about 100 feet. And I would try to include a picture with this. The first line has got good grass growing over it, and you can see where it stops. The second line goes 20 feet or so, and the third line just stops where it connects to the manifold. So I got a hold of customer service again, got a hold of Chris at BioSafe, and he worked up a routine, sent me the product, and I'm going to make a video for YouTube, and we're going to shock this system back to life.